Shadow Learning Solutions-ലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. The first cooperative land mortgage bank was established in 1920 at Chennai in Tamil Nadu, Jang in Punjab, Mumbai in Maharashtra, Ajmer in Rajasthan. Correct answer option B, Jang in Punjab. The first district cooperative bank was established at Akola in Maharashtra, Cochin in Kerala, Trivandrum in Kerala, Bombay in Maharashtra. Correct answer option A, Akola in Maharashtra. Dash is the birthplace of land mortgage banking. Germany, Japan, India, Israel. Correct answer is option A, Germany. NCCT was recommended by Swaminathan Commission, McLagan Committee, Royal Commission, Sir Frederick Nicholson Committee. Correct answer option A, Swaminathan Commission. Apex society means a dash society, district level, state level, national level, regional level. Correct answer option B, state level. Banking Regulation Act was made applicable to cooperative banks with effect from 16/3/1949, 1/3/1966, 16/3/1965, 1/4/2020. Correct answer option B, 1/3/1966. In dash, the Regional Rural Banks Act was passed in India. 1904, 1947, 1976, 1995. Correct answer option C, 1976. The quality of governance in cooperative societies will improve if right persons are elected to the board and they are duly supported by registrar, depositors, staff, professionals. Correct answer option D, professionals. Which of the following is not the stakeholder of PACS? Depositors, creditors, regulator, employees. Correct answer option C, regulator. Dash is the system by which cooperatives are directed and controlled. Cooperative governance, cooperative management, cooperative administration, cooperative supervision. Correct answer option A, cooperative governance. Cooperative banks accept uncollateralized public funds in fiduciary capacity as trustee, custodian, trustee and custodian, agent. Correct answer option C, trustee and custodian. The short-term cooperative credit structure function as union of primaries, federal structure, mixed structure, none of the above. Correct answer option B, federal structure. Which of the following is not a basic member right? Elect and remove chairman, obtain relevant information of the cooperative on a timely and regular basis, participate in general body, elect and remove members of the board. Correct answer option A, elect and remove chairman. Dash is the link between the governing body and the team of officials in charge of execution of policies and day-to-day administration. President, Chief Executive Officer, Manager, Board. Correct answer option B, Chief Executive Officer. KCC can be used for financing, KCC can be used for financing, consumption needs, production needs, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer option C, both A and B. The ICA revised the cooperative principles for the dash in 1995. First time, second time, third time, fourth time. Correct answer Option C, third time. The Shivaraman Committee was constituted in the dash 5-year plan which recommended the establishment of NABARD. 6th, 5th, 7th, 4th. Correct answer option B, 5th. The first dairy cooperative society was registered in 1913, 1914, 1935, 1950. Correct answer option A, 1913. The origin of National Cooperative Union of India dates back to 1947, 1948, 1949, 1950. Correct answer ഇല്ല. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. The NCCT was set up in 1973, 1975, 1976, 1979. Correct answer option C, 1976. The National Dairy Development Board Act was passed 1977, 1987, 1965, 1970. Correct answer option B, 1987. NCCF was set up on 15th October 1955, 20th November 1960, 15th December 1972, 16th October 1965. Correct answer option D, 16th October 1965. The Kerala State Cooperative Housing Federation was registered on 23/9/1970, 13/6/1971, 21/8/1973, 20/9/1980. Correct answer option A, 23/9/1970. CRIPCO was incorporated on 17 April 1980, 17th July 1970, 20th July 1982, 27 October 1981. Correct answer option A, 17 April 1980. National Cooperative Agriculture and Rural Development Banks Federation was registered on 5th October 1960, 6th October 1960, 7th October 1960, 8th October 1960. Correct answer option B, 6th October 1960. For the withdrawal of share in the cooperative society, the member must hold the share for a period of 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. No such restriction. Correct answer option B, 3 years. Representative General Body shall amendment bylaws but not the provisions of the Constitution of the Managing Committee, objectives of the society, Constitution of the Representative General Body, none of these. Correct answer option C, Constitution of the Representative General Body. Dash seat in the Managing Committee of Urban Cooperative Banks reserved for the depositors having deposit of 10,000 or more. 3, 2, 1. No such reservation. Correct answer option C, 1. Quorum for the meeting of Managing Committee is specified in section 28(5), section 27(2), section 28(4), rule 35A, subsection Rule 35A, Subrule 5. Correct answer option A, section 28, subsection 5. That shall fix the maximum and minimum limit of election expenses to be spent by societies. Government, State Cooperative Election Commission, Registrar, Managing Committee of Society. Correct answer option B, State Cooperative Election Commission. Special General Body meeting shall be called by Chief Executive, Managing Committee, Registrar, both B and C. Correct answer option D, both B and C. On the report of the registrar, the government shall authorize the registrar to extend the period of administrator for a further period of 2 years, 1 year, 6 months, 3 months. Correct answer option B, 1 year. There are dash elected members in the managing committee of State Cooperative Union 23, 22, 21, 20. Correct answer option D, 20. Along the managing committee, dash shall have the power to call the general body of a society, inquiry officer, registrar, liquidator, all of these. Correct answer option D, all of these. The maximum age limit of person appointed as cooperative ombudsman shall be 60 years, 62 years, 65 years, none of these. Correct answer option C, 65 years. The cooperative arbitration court shall have the same powers of dash in certain matters. Registrar, judicial magistrate, civil court, none of these. Correct answer option C, civil court. The board of directors of the State Cooperative Bank shall consist of not more than dash members. 7, 15, 21, none of these. Correct answer option C, 21. A society having credit and non-credit function shall be called as dash society. Multi-functioning, composite, multi-purpose, none of these. Correct answer option B, composite. The head of Cooperative Arbitration Court is designated as Secretary, President, Chairman, Presiding Officer. Correct answer option D, Presiding Officer. Dash shall be the first province which enacted Cooperative Societies Act in British India. Bombay, Madras, Bengal, Bihar. Correct answer option B, Madras. Registration fee for the registration of cooperative society having more than one taluk but less than one district as its area of operation shall be rupees 10,000, 5,000, 4,000, 2,000. Correct answer option C, 4,000. Dash shall responsible for modifying the model bylaws from time to time. Government, Apex Society, Financing Bank, Registrar. Correct answer option D, Registrar. The resolution for amalgamation of insured cooperative bank shall be passed only with the prior approval of RBI, Government, NABARD, Registrar. Correct answer option A, RBI. According to Rule 15, a society is classified on the basis of its financial position, membership, principal object, area of operation. Correct answer option C, principal object. Dash shall notify the election of a cooperative society, returning officer, State Cooperative Election Commission, electoral officer, managing committee of the society. Correct answer option B, State Cooperative Election Commission. Rupees dash shall be the maximum cooperative education fund. 2,000, 6,000, 60,000, 1 lakh. Correct answer option C, 60,000. Attached movable properties of a defaulter can be sold through public auction after dash days 10, 15, 20, 30. Correct answer option B, 15. The Secretary of Cooperative Tribunal shall be under the control of Registrar, Government, Court, Tribunal. Correct answer option D, Tribunal. A member of a cooperative society may be expelled if he fails to comply with the provisions of bylaw, act against the interest of society, have any disqualification, both A and B. Correct answer option D, both A and B. Dash shall specify the individual maximum shareholding limit in a cooperative society. Government, registrar, chief executive, managing committee. Correct answer option A, government. If every credit purchase were recorded in the journal, the entry for each such a transaction would be to debit the dash account and credit the dash account. Correct answer option C, goods account, personal account of the supplier. Where all cash receipts are paid into the bank and all payments are made by check, another subsidiary cash book maintained is known as subsidiary cash register, petty cash book, bank book, goods inward book. Correct answer option B, petty cash book. The statement prepared to indicate the items which cause disagreement between the balances as per the bank columns of the cash book and bank passbook on any date, trial balance, cash flow statement, reconciliation statement, balance sheet. Correct answer option C, reconciliation statement. The method which provides a ready means to traders of some standing to raise money on the credit of one another is by promissory note, bill of exchange, accommodation bill, memorandum of association. Correct answer option C, accommodation bill. On meeting the bill on the due date, enter it through the credit side of dash and debit dash. Correct answer option A, bills payable account, cash book. Foreign bills accompanied by bill of lading, invoice and insurance policy are known as accommodation bills, documentary bills, bill of materials, discounting bills. Correct answer option B, documentary bills. Record of the transaction from the nominal account to profit and loss account, ledger, cash book, journal proper, bills journal. Correct answer option C, journal proper. Agreements of dash provides a very useful check on ledger postings, balance sheet, trial balance, cash flow, fund flow. Correct answer option B, trial balance. A statement that deals with the comparison of different items of profit and loss account and balance sheet of two or more periods. Common size statement, cost volume profit analysis, trend analysis, comparative statement. Correct answer option D, comparative statement. The ratio that explains the strength of an organization with respect to effective utilization of finances. Leverage ratio, turnover ratio, profitability ratio, liquidity ratio. Correct answer option C, profitability ratio. Bills receivable comes under bad debts, floating asset, doubtful debts, working capital. Correct answer option B, floating asset. Fixed assets shall be valued at original cost, current market price, valued on the basis of its usefulness to the business, breakup value. Correct answer option C, valued on the basis of its usefulness to the business. All balances relating to expense or gains will go into the balance sheet, profit and loss account, capital account, suspense account. Correct answer option B, profit and loss account. Advance against consignment is credited against the dash of consignee, goods account, consignment inward book, consignment account, personal account of consignee. Correct answer option D, personal account of consignee. When there is a disagreement in the trial balance, the difference may be temporarily credited or debited to journal proper, cash account, suspense account, Debtors account. Correct answer option C, suspense account. A person who owes something is called creditor, receiver, debtor, outgoing. Correct answer option C, debtor. A fictitious account, salaries account, goods account, office furniture account, bank account. Correct answer option A, salaries account. Entering a transaction on the left hand side of an account, crediting an account, debiting an account, closing an account, balancing an account. Correct answer option B, debiting an account. When liabilities exceed asset, a person is said to be solvent. In bad debts, bankrupt, insolvent. Correct answer option D, insolvent. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Nominal account, fictitious account, real account, personal account. Correct answer option C, real account. Transfer of entries from subsidiary books to ledger is called closing entry, posting, adjustment entry, opening entry. Correct answer option B, posting. Every entry in the journal is followed by a short description of the nature of the transaction known as ledger folio, balancing, narration, detailing. Correct answer option C, narration. When a payment is made on account of any service rendered, the debit should be given to personal account of payee, particular service account, cash account, suspense account. Correct answer option B, particular service account. When cash account is going to be closed, the difference between the two sides is entered on the credit side with the words to balance brought down, to cash on hand, by balance carried down, by balance written off. Correct answer option C, by balance carried down. If on the date of closing there is a balance of unsold goods, that amount is to be shown on the credit side of the goods account with the words to balance, by carried down, to carried forward. Correct answer option B, by balance. Maximum amount of time deposit which can be kept in the name of minor is 10,000, 30,000, 50,000, unlimited. Correct answer option D, unlimited. Non-scheduled banks are those which are not included in the dash of RBI Act. First schedule, second schedule, third schedule, ninth schedule. Correct answer option B, second schedule. The advantage of RuPay card is credit can be obtained for 180 days. RBI has made it compulsory for public sector banks to issue RuPay branded card. Low charges for settlement. IMPS facilities available only in a RuPay card. Correct answer option C, low charges for settlement. UPI stands for Unique Payment Interface, Unified Payment Interface, United Payment Interface, Uniform Unique Payment Interface. Correct answer option B, Unified Payment Interface. White card refers to debit cards, duplicate cards, counterfeit cards, cards made of plastic. Correct answer option C, counterfeit cards. A credit card holder makes a complaint to the bank of wrong billing. After how many days from the date of complaint he can file a complaint with banking ombudsman if it is not settled? 30 days, 45 days, 60 days, 15 days. Correct answer option A, 30 days. Nomination can be accepted in the following type of customers: partnership accounts, trust account, accounts of Hindu undivided family, joint accounts. Correct answer option D, joint accounts. Which of the following is considered as priority sector for financing by banks in India? Service sector, trading sector, corporate finance, agriculture sector. Correct answer option D, agriculture sector. Open market operation of RBI is providing finance openly to deserving sectors, speculative activities, debt waiver, buying and selling of securities by RBI. Correct answer option D, buying and selling of securities by RBI. Where a guardian is appointed by court, the minor attains majority on the completion of dash years of age. 21 years, 18 years, 20 years, none of the above. Correct answer option B, 18 years. In case of missing persons, presumption of death can be raised only after a period of dash years. 5 years, 10 years, 7 years, none of the above. Correct answer option C, 7 years. An IT attachment order is received for rupees 20,000. When balance in the account is rupees 10,000, subsequently rupees 50,000 is credited to the account. Only rupees 10,000 is to be attached. Rupees 20,000 to be attached including the subsequent credit. Rupees 25,000 to be attached. None of the above. Correct answer option B. 20,000 to be attached including the subsequent credit. Kharif season extends from month of dash to the month of dash. April to August, March to August, June to September, April to September. Correct answer option C, June to September. CVV in card stands for Credit Verification Vault, Credit Value Verification, Card Value Verification, Credit Verification Value. This question cancelled ആണ്. Which is the apex banking institution for providing finance for agriculture and rural development in India? Reserve Bank of India, NABARD, Securities and Exchange Board of India, International Bank for Rural Development. Correct answer option B, NABARD. PMLA related to KYC stands for Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Prohibition of Money Laundering Act, Prime Money Lending Act, none of the above. Correct answer option A, Prevention of Money Laundering Act. From a customer who has lost the demand draft purchased by him, which document is obtaining before issuing a duplicate DD? Undertaking, indemnity bond, contract to abstain from using the first demand draft, restrictive agreement. Correct answer option B, indemnity bond. When does the bank make the payment of bank guarantee? When the beneficiary invokes the guarantee and makes demand to the bank, on bank getting satisfied that the person on whose behalf guarantee is given has defaulted on his part, only when court orders on invoking guarantee, when the person on whose behalf the guarantee is given gives his consent to pay. Correct answer option A, when the beneficiary invokes the guarantee and makes the demand to the bank. Credit risk involves the following. The security may get dilute in value. The risk that money lent may not be repaid in time or not at all. The claim of the bank may be challenged in the court for faulty documentation. It is a situation in which interest rate is falling down. Correct answer option B, the risk that money lent may not be repaid in time or not at all. A garnishee order is operative only when the banker-customer relationship is debtor and creditor, principal and agent, trustee and beneficiary, none of the above. Correct answer option A, debtor and creditor. Banker's general lien is available on the goods on safe custody, goods in locker, on goods and securities received in capacity of a banker, goods left by debtor by mistake. Correct answer option C, on goods and securities received in the capacity of a banker. On an account having a balance of rupees 12,000, one garnishee order for rupees 50,000 is received by 11 am and another for rupees 6,000 is received by 12:30 pm. The bank will attach the balance on the order received first, execute the order received second. The bank will pay proportionately against two orders, none of the above. Correct answer option A, attach the balance on the order received first. Right of set off is exercised in case of future debt, debt due and determined, contingent liabilities, money deposited with some other specific purpose. Correct answer option B, the debts due and determined. Mr. A wants to give mandate to his minor son to operate his account. It can be accepted since minor can be an agent. It cannot be accepted since minor cannot be an agent. Mandate can be accepted but minor is not allowed to draw check. None of the above. Correct answer option A, it can be accepted since minor can be an agent. A minor can open and operate account in his name if he has completed dash years of age, 10 years, 14 years, 12 years and none of the above. Correct answer option A, 10 years.